These are the 15 combination keys that I've chosen for Windows users. Be a keyboard master. So let's start with Windows key. Just keep your finger on it, cause it's the main thing. Combination number 1 on the keyboard. Just press Win key. It will open the start menu. In Windows 8.1 opens the previous windows. Combination number 2 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter E. It will provide quick access to Windows Explorer, and in Windows 10 it also opens the quick launch by default. Combination number 3 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter R. It also opens Run dialog box. Combination number 4 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter A. In Windows 10, it will open Action Center that will access you to your computer settings. Combination number 5 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter X. It will open Windows Mobile Application Center. That's for mobile computer users. Combination number 6 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter Q. It's often search term for all installed apps in Windows 8 and newer. Combination number 7 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter S. It's often coordinate ready for type input. Combination number 8 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter D. If you want to hide all windows on the monitor at the same time. Combination number 9 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus Home key to minimize all non-active windows on the monitor at the same time. Combination number 10 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus Print Screen key. You can take screenshot of Visual Desktop and save it. Combination number 11 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter L. This combination will lock your PC and go to the lock screen. Combination number 12 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter I. If you want to open the Windows settings dialog on your PC. Combination number 13 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter C. It will show Chamber in Windows 8 and 8.1 version, and in Windows 10 it opens Cortana but only a few supporting the language. Combination number 14 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter T. If you want to switch focus to the taskbar on your PC. Combination number 15 on the keyboard. Press Win key plus letter K. It will open new start menu connection in Windows 8 and 8.1 version. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, give it thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once again, thanks for watching.